Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to hopefully answer a question that a lot of people are asking. Should I buy the HMI or just use a computer? I'm Christy and I'm going to help you arrive at your answer while we walk through this video today. Before we go any further, I just want to invite you to subscribe to the Onefinity YouTube channel right now. That way you can stay in the loop with other updates that we may want to share with you. So let's get into it. First, no one is saying you need to purchase the HMI. We understand that it's an additional purchase and you might need to stick to a budget. We get it. We'll talk about how using your laptop does the job. But first, here are the main positives for adding an HMI to your cart right now. The experience. The HMI is a 15-inch human-machine interface. So it's basically a computer that mounts very easily on this included bracket. The display is really crisp and brightly lit with user-friendly controls. It's very tactile with it being touchscreen activated and is just downright enjoyable to use. Most importantly, it has all the ports you're going to need for all the connections with the cables that come with your CNC, things to link it to power, the motion controller, and extra connections for things like a USB for the wireless joypad if you choose to use that, or perhaps a Wi-Fi extender like this one. I'll talk a little bit more about this in the future, in the video, further in the video. With the HMI, your personal computer doesn't have to be tethered to the CNC at all times. You have a little bit more flexibility with keeping your computer wherever you want to and using it for multiple purposes other than just being parked next to the CNC. And we are seeing more people buy HMIs than not buy HMIs for that reason. Another pretty obvious benefit of the HMI is that it does come with a mounting bracket, whereas if you are going to use your laptop, you will have to find more horizontal space in your shop to store it, and that can be hard to do sometimes. And the HMI is built to be able to withstand the dust from the CNC too, so that's a plus. So say you already have a computer, but you'd like to keep it inside, out of the dusty shop. There is one pretty cool feature that allows you to access the HMI interface through a web browser on your computer. To do this, you will need a strong Wi-Fi connection on your HMI. So a very easy way to make your Wi-Fi signal stronger is to utilize a USB Wi-Fi extender like this one. It's an easy purchase from Amazon and it instantly works when you plug it into your USB port. No need to do anything with the CD-ROM that comes with it other than throw that away. You don't need it. It is literally plug and play. From here, you want to access your main menu, then select Config, and then tap on the Network tab. This will allow you to find your home's Wi-Fi on the list, enter your password, and get connected. Next, you're simply going to open up a web browser on your computer. You can type in the IP address at this point that you find on your HMI screen. Now you can access controls on your computer so you can work on things indoors in the comfort of your own home. If you have an office or if your couch is your office, either way, you do not have to deal with transferring the laptop in and out of the shop when you need to load a file, since you can do this remotely. The HMI, it's streamlined and it's organized. Lastly, I don't know about you guys, but my computer can bring on that blue screen of death when I least expect it. It also sometimes triggers its own updates and has to reboot. No sort of update or battery loss will interrupt your carve when you're using the HMI because those things just don't happen with this setup. Okay, all right, the HMI is cool, but let's talk reasons why a computer would totally work. If you already have a spare computer that you don't mind keeping connected to your CNC at all times, you can save money by not needing to buy the HMI right off the bat. Knowing that you can always use the computer, see how that goes, and if you want to add the HMI later, you can. Using the computer instead of the HMI works because you use the same real-time CNC software. So you get virtually the same user experience on your laptop, other than the fact that it's more horizontal or landscape rather than vertical like you see it on the HMI. Using your PC or Mac would be familiar if you're already used to using your computer to do the design work and if you want to stay in that same workflow. that could work for you. It's even more fun if your laptop does have a touch screen, so you still get that fun tactile experience like you would on the HMI. Finally, if you are wanting to purchase a laptop for multiple functions, this would kind of be a good excuse to do that. Kind of kill two birds with one stone, because you can control the CNC with it and then still have the flexibility to use it for other things when the CNC isn't running. As long as you don't mind kind of going back and forth and maybe having to dust it off every once in a while. I can say with a lot of confidence that you absolutely need to have some kind of dust collection set up if you are going to use your laptop right next to your CNC. So here's what I'll leave you with to consider. It really all comes down to this. The HMI is very dependable and streamlined. Long carves would require keeping a computer tethered to the CNC to ensure that nothing is going to get interrupted. And during those long carves, you would technically be without your computer unless you wanted to sit next to your CNC to use it for other purposes, which would kind of be hilarious. Can you imagine taking like a Teams meeting or a Google Meet and have to do it right next to the CNC? Yeah, no, it's gonna be fine. I'll have that report for you later today. No, I'm at home in my home office. Yeah. Yeah, no way. However, the computer experience with the free to download real-time CNC software is made to mimic the HMI experience. And I do personally think it's really neat that you can easily download the software to either PC or Mac, and you can have it installed and working within moments. I actually really like to use my touchscreen laptop with my Apprentice CNC. It's a ton of fun. And even super cool features like the power loss recovery or jump to line feature are available for you to depend on whether you're using the HMI or a computer. So you really just need to decide what's going to work best for your space and your budget. So don't sweat the choice too much. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions, and in the meantime, make sure you are subscribed to the channel so that you can stay up to date with more info. See you on the next one.